Durack Civil has been engaged by the Department of Transport and Main Roads to deliver important pavement rehabilitation works along the Mulligan Highways across section 34A, 34B and 34C. This project is part of TMR's regional road upgrade program aimed at improving pavement conditions, safety and ride quality across key transport corridors in Far North Queensland. Our team is undertaking foam bitumen stabilisation works, a specialised pavement treatment designed to deliver long-term performance and resilience to Queensland's road network. Foam bitumen technology allows us to reuse existing pavement materials by injecting foam bitumen and a 50-50 blend, creating a bound layer that achieves rapid strength gain while maintaining the flexibility required to withstand traffic loading and environmental conditions. The process is highly technical, requiring attention to detail in material assessment, stabilisation design and on-site control to strike the right balance between durability and workability. When executed correctly, foam bitumen provides significant benefits to improve structural capacity, reduce whole-of-life maintenance costs and more sustainable use of resources. Alongside the treatment, the broader scope of works involves full pavement reconstruction, placement of new unbound pavements, bitumen sealing and upgrades to drainage and road furniture. Delivery is progressing across multiple work fronts with staged construction and traffic management measures ensuring the highway remains open and safe for road users. Durack Civil is proud to deliver this complex treatment for DTMR, contributing to safer, stronger and more reliable roads that support the communities and industries who depend on the Mulligan Highway every day.